Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus, and in today's video, I'm going to be making the most ultimate vegan buffalo chicken sandwich, so let's hop right into it. For the wet ingredients, I'm adding 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/3 cup of hot sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. For the dry ingredients, I'm adding 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, a half teaspoon of sea salt, a half teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So I'm using this vegan chicken scallopini by Gardein to make the chicken sandwiches. So I thawed it out in the fridge. You can just microwave it. But I thawed it out and I'm placing 2 of them on top of one another like this. It comes with 4 in a package, so you can get 2 packs because this recipe makes 4 altogether. So I'm dipping it into the wet mixture, then into the dry mixture. Back into the wet mixture, and into the dry mixture again. So we're going to double coat it so it can be nice and crispy. Now you can pan fry these, but I'm putting mine into a deep fryer and I'm frying it at 350 for about 2 to 3 minutes. For the buffalo sauce, I added a half cup of red hot sauce and 2 teaspoons of dairy-free butter, and I just melted it in the microwave. Now I'm adding some vegan ranch onto my toasted bun, the chicken patty, some more ranch dressing, some buffalo sauce, more ranch dressing, and some lettuce on top. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Just look at that. Lettuce, buffalo sauce, ranch dressing. Do you see this juiciness? Here we go. It's so crunchy and juicy. This tastes amazing. Like seriously, you need to make this. Delicious. Okay, I'm going to finish eating this chicken sandwich, and if you make this, feel free to tag me at @NamNamToFitness on Twitter or on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.